just one more thing. I would like to say a few words on behalf of the Adventure Club of Europe. My name is Jelica Munja, and I represented the ACE in Croatia back in 1881, when Nikola Tesla invented the Voltron Nevera. You might know Tesla as one of the greatest scientific minds of all time. However, when I met him, he was just a young student, his head full of bold ideas. Nobody believed in him. No one understood his vision, except for us. Honoring the ACE's motto, let us be the ones who bring about the innovation.
Excuse me, sorry, excuse me. Excuse me, sorry, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Apologize for the minor inconvenience, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Dear darling Jelica, what are you doing?
Eric, I was just explaining how we helped Nikola create the Voltron.
Right. Darling, we have a fully working Voltron Nevera right here. People don't want to hear about it, they want to see it in action.
Yes, but Nikola's not here yet.
Well, let's bring him here then. After all, the Voltron is a teleportation device. Please, without further ado, I'd like you to have a very warm welcome. Joining us via cosmic energy teleportation, the visionary inventor of the Voltron Nevera, Nikola Tesla! It worked! Nikola, are you all right?
Wow! I've never been better in my life. What a feeling! The energy, the power of Voltron Nevera. Words just cannot describe it. You've got to experience it.
Well, come on then. Join us down here so we can open the Voltron Nevera for everyone to experience it.
Well.
This switch here is going to activate the Voltron in just a few minutes.
Hello, it sure feels like coming home, isn't it? Well, I'd like to thank you, dear Mack family, for rebuilding the Voltron Nevera and for believing in my dreams, just as the Adventure Club did.
Well, you proved us right, Nikola. As we have seen, it works. Voltron Nevera, powered by remotes, is ready to open to the world.
Yes. Truly a historic moment. You know, 150 years ago, I first came up with the idea of the Voltron. It was in the middle of a thunderstorm, just like today. So, balls of lightning everywhere, the air buzzing with electricity. And I knew that if we could use this energy, we could change the world forever. So today, thanks to the pioneering spirit of Europa-Park and the whole Mack group, the Voltron Nevera, powered by remotes, has become reality. So, please join me. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the electric age.
Auf Voltron Nevera, powered by Rimac und Živeli Hrvatska.